everyone, thanks so much for joining me today. I'm going to be teaching you how to install Google Analytics on your WordPress or Squarespace site. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm Katie of Katie Williamson Web and Social Media Consulting. I'm a web designer and strategist, and I help lady bosses create amazing websites that get results, more clients, and they can make more money. Okay, so we're going to start by digging into Google Analytics and first setting up your Google Analytics account. The first thing you need to do in order to create a Google Analytics account is head to google.com/analytics. And from there, you'll either sign into an existing Gmail account or whatever account you have for Google, or create a new account. So I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in, and I'm going to select Analytics up here. And since I already have an account, it's going to take me to my Analytics page. But what you'll do is, if you already have an account, then you can click Admin. Otherwise, you'll probably enter all this information as you go, but it will take you to this page, and if you already have an analytics account set up, then all you have to do is go to under admin, go to create new account, and you'll end up on a page that looks like this. So what would you like to track? I'm guessing that everyone has a website and not a mobile app, but if you do, you can always enter a mobile app and just fill out the correct information. And so you'll name your account. So I'm going to call it Katie's Site. And then naming my website. So Katie's website. And so this is basically so that way you can distinguish if you have multiple websites that you manage or have in your account, so you can distinguish between them. When you are selecting your URL, you first want to select if you have an HTTP or an HTTPS. So go ahead and select that, and then just put in the URL of your website. Okay, so after that, you'll select an industry, and just select the one that's closest. Don't spend too much time on it. Don't worry about it too much. I'll pick computers and electronics. I'm in the United States. You can select wherever you are, and then your time zone. So I'm in the Central Time Zone. So I'll go ahead and select that. And then this last option is just some different emails and different data you can share with Google. If you don't want to receive those emails, just uncheck them. And then all you need to do is get tracking ID. And so once you click get tracking ID, it will take you to a screen that looks like this. To the tracking info page. And so right here, this that starts with UA is your tracking ID. And depending on what you're using to set up your Google Analytics, you potentially might need this script, this JavaScript down here, but to start, most things just need this tracking ID. So I'm going to run or head to my dashboard on my WordPress site and show you how you can install the Google Analytics code quickly and easily. Okay, so here we are on my dashboard, and I'm going to head to my plugins. I use a plugin that is called Monster Insights, and so this plugin I just installed, and I'll put a link in down below so that way you have a link to it, but I have not set it up yet, and so we're going to do that together. So what I can do is I can either authenticate with Google because I'm already signed into my account, or I could disable the dashboard. And then the other thing, there's a bunch of different things I can fill out, but basically what I want to do is authenticate my account with Google. And so if you're having any issues, you can also click to authenticate manually, and then I just put this tracking code in there. So we're going to do that, or authenticate with Google. And once you do that, then it should be updated. And I hate to do this because that's not the correct site, so that's why I don't want to do that. Okay, so I'll actually authenticate my account with Google right now. You just go through the prompts, the Google code, and actually set up on that account. I'll allow that. And then it's going to give me this line of code. Paste the code right there, and then you are and then you are good to go. I'm all set. And so now Monster Insights is tracking my Google Analytics. And so I highly recommend this plugin for WordPress. There's a couple other ones, but I really like Monster Insights. It makes it very easy to just follow the instructions. Now if you're on Squarespace, you're going to log into your Squarespace account, and from this home menu, we're going to head to Settings. And then under Settings, you're going to head to, under the Website menu on Settings, you're going to go to Advanced. And then go ahead and click External Services. And right here, it's going to say Google Analytics account number. And so you're just going to take this tracking ID for Squarespace. Oops. And we're going to head, going to go ahead and paste that right there. And now we will be tracking everything for Squarespace. So it's really easy to do. And the reason that I highly recommend making sure that you have Google Analytics set up is because you can get so much information from Google Analytics. It will let you know where people are coming from on your site. It will let you know who's on your site at a certain time. It will let you know the type of interest people, like the type of things people are interested in, what countries, what pages they're staying on the longest. So I definitely recommend that you install Google Analytics and use it to your best advantage. Thank you once again for watching. I hope you guys understand how to install Google Analytics and how valuable it can be. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below or shoot me an email. You can find all that information down below. And if you're on YouTube, go ahead and click the subscribe button right down there. Just over there. That'd be awesome. Thanks so much and have a great day.